Everyone, our Tremblant trip begins right now. When you're in Canada and you fill up your gas tank, this is how long your receipt is. No joke. It is 12:30 at night and we finally arrived. I got my partner in crime over here, the guy who fell asleep. My co-driver apparently. This is our house. We're gonna film it at night or during the day, but here we are. And it's the next morning. Greetings from our master bedroom. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the house, then we're gonna go up on the mountain. This is the king size bed. That's where all the magic happens. I always wanted to say that. Our little master closet there. This is my lady there doing her makeup, but the best thing is, check this out. As you zoom in through the lady, check this out. You stand in front of the toilet. Excuse me, I wanna do my business. Bam, automatic. And fully functional. I don't even know what these buttons do. Dryer, you can dry your behind and stuff like that. So yeah, very cool. We're gonna go downstairs now. So this floor up here has 3 bedrooms. There's 1 and 2 over there. People are sleeping there, so we're not gonna bother them. But check this out, look at this view. Whoa. This is the view from up top. As you come up, you can oversee the living room with these massive windows. So let's walk down the stairs. This is Olga. Hi, Olga. So on the outside over here, we've got a balcony that's heated. It's got these electric heaters up top, and there's a view of the lake. We've got a grill. Lucas is right there. What's up, Lucas? I'm giving everyone a tour of the house. Let's take a look at these views from up here. We got a lot of snow. Let's see. We're gonna go down here. Bathrooms and everything else in the garage. There's yet another level downstairs. This is Yuri. I'm giving whoever's gonna watch this video a tour of the house. So these are closets, I guess mechanical closets?
Yeah, those are all locked.
Alright, all locked. We've got the bedroom suite over here. We've got another living room?
Yeah, another living room with some Wii.
Oh no way, look at that.
There's a lower level deck and there's a bubble, what do you call it?
Hot tub.
Yeah, the hot tub.
There's oh my god, look at this.
Yeah.
So this house potentially can sleep how many people? Like 10, right?
At least 8, but
Yeah.
if you sleep here, if you sleep
then
in another living
it's like
room,
10 or 12.
it could be 12, 14.
Nice. And greetings from outside. Everyone's gathered here. We're about to leave. This is what the place looks like on the outside. It's part of a big condo complex. And the best thing is that I think we just ski down there and they're on the slopes. You excited?
You guys pick up your tickets already?
No, not yet.
All right.
All right.
Skiing on the road. Day 2 begins right now. We got this much snow overnight. We were gonna do first tracks, but we decided to party hard last night. It's been a very busy day, and everyone that I went with today is actually ice skating, and I decided to stay home and enjoy this hot tub that's really cool, and it's obviously outside. I've got my ice cream and my sparkling water ready, getting ready for tomorrow, day 2. So we didn't get a chance to wake up on time, but the weather is beautiful. We're gonna go up on the mountain. Visibility might be an issue. And now we're doing ski out. Well, we're riding in powder. Who's pumped for today?
Me. Me.
Not Yuri. Yuri's just okay. Day 3 of our adventure. Today is the coldest day of the trip, -11 Fahrenheit. But the good news is visibility is awesome. And also the good news is all the troops are getting ready. And the trick to getting dressed in a hot house, open the door. So this is the true definition of ski in, ski out. This is our development complex. Our building is right behind this building. This is the trail that we cross. And this is where we drop in. Go ahead, look at this. To go. Doesn't get better than that. Really cold, -19 Fahrenheit when you're riding, so it is very, very cold. So it's kind of like apples to apples.
So it's not like what you would pick.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna read the responses. So
Okay.
what's my secret power? Full frontal nudity.
How is that your secret power?
Because that would be a woman's secret power.
I'm no doctor, but I'm pretty sure what you're suffering from is called, okay, old people smell.
Yay! This is what the icicle looks like. Imagine this falling on your car. So I saved a life, potentially. This is the village. A lot of shops down there. Places to buy souvenirs, good restaurants, bars, if that's your type of thing. It used to be mine, not anymore. Oh, a chocolate place. To a very successful ski trip.
Yes, it's a beautiful ski trip. Fourth
Yep.
time.
Exactly. 4th time in Tremblant.